Responses to abiotic factors. Abiotic conditions may vary from place to place. These varying conditions may influence the organisms in many ways. So, a constant internal environment develops in the organism. The process by which organisms maintain a constant internal environment under varying external conditions is called homeostasis. To cope with the varying external conditions, humans using air conditioner in summer and heater in winter. Thus, in humans, homeostasis is accomplished by artificial means. Likewise, different types of living organisms meet different stressful abiotic conditions through various methods. They are regulate, conform, migrate, and suspend. Regulate. Regulates are organisms which maintain homeostasis by constant body temperature and constant osmotic concentration, irrespective of fluctuations in the external environment. Example: mammals, birds. Our constant body temperature is maintained at 37 degrees centigrade or 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. In summer, when outside temperature is more than our body temperature, we sweat profusely. When the sweat evaporates, body becomes cool. In winter, when outside temperature is lower than ours, we shiver. Shivering is a type of exercise that produces heat and raises the body temperature. Conform. They are organisms which cannot maintain a constant internal environment. They change their body temperature with the outside temperature in which they live. Example: fishes, amphibians, reptiles, and plants. Heat loss and heat gain depends upon the surface area. The smaller animals have larger surface area relative to their volume, so they lose body heat quickly if it is cold outside. Then they have to expend much energy to generate body heat through metabolism. This is the main reason why very small animals are rarely found in polar regions. Migrate. Migration is the process of temporary movement of organisms from the stressful habitat to a more hospitable area and return when stressful period is over. Example: the famous Kialado National Park at Bharatpur in Rajasthan hosts thousands of migratory birds coming from Siberia during every winter. Suspend. Many organisms suspend their body activities under stressful conditions. In bacteria, fungi, and lower plants, thick-walled spores are formed during unfavorable season. The period by which organisms suspend their activities are called dormancy period. If the dormancy in winter, it is called hibernation or winter sleep. Example: bear. If the dormancy is in summer, it is called estivation or summer sleep. Example: ground squirrels, frog, snail, etc.